Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and these are your teasers for this week on Sibongile and the Dlaminis. On Monday the 16th of December 2024, Sibongile lays down the law for Mxolisi regarding Nomfundo, but the latter is determined that he is not going anywhere. Also, Vusi and Kwenzo connect over the woman in their lives. Then Tuesday the 17th of December, Sibongile comes back to mark his territory at Nomfundo's place and is unimpressed by what he finds. Vuma has a dying wish for Kwenzo. Then on Wednesday the 18th of December, Nomfundo has an argument with Mxolisi that opens her eyes and finally makes her say enough to Sibongile. Kwenzo refuses to leave Sibongile. Guys, Uvumangmazi, this whole thing of dying and all of that, guys, like uzoba right. He just needs to get out of his head. But I have a feeling which Uvuma's dying wish for Ukwenzo is Ukwenzo to break up with Usibongile and allow Usibongile without Aitene's call. And that's going to be an interesting one because listen, that's going to break Usibongile's heart. But listen, Aibo, they need to wrap up the season and Usibongile just needs to finish with her studies, you guys. But anyway, guys, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.